Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change black logo to white in Photoshop. Let's begin. I have a black logo. Simply hold Ctrl and select this logo. Click then now see this select and plate white. Select white color. Hold Alt press backspace. Then white color and another way press Ctrl is Ctrl D, Ctrl D, click Apex and color overlay and this change your color black, green, red, yellow. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.